Todd Preston is here from D.A. Davidson, and we're talking about this week's stock market news. And we're going to start off with yesterday. It looks like there was another gain on Wall Street.
It was, yeah. So that was the 7th straight day where we ended positive. That's the longest streak of the year. The futures are indicating a strong opening, so 8 would take us back to May of 18 since the last streak of 8 days. So good news in the market. The Dow was up 45, S&P up 8, NASDAQ was up 25. So hope that the rally will continue, and there's also hope that we may see the Fed lower rates one more time. Those things kind of helped run the market up a little bit.
And another streak, it looks like China is still making the news. Tell us about that.
They kind of grab headlines, don't they? Well, there was a report that came out that the administration was looking at an interim deal to delay the tariffs until they could continue putting the package together. The administration denied that, but then another report indicated that China was looking at narrowing the focus to make it easier to come to an initial agreement. Then they can work out details later. They're set to meet in October. There's no date set yet, but there is a meeting established for October where they hope to work some details out. I think people are still under the impression that we're going to get a deal done, and so the market is pretty positive about it. So if we get that, then that will be a huge gain.
All right, and to finish things off, what economic data is in focus right now?
Well, we had unemployment claims came in better than expected. First-time filers were at 204, down 15,000. They anticipated 213,000 filing, and then inflation's running 1.1% for August on the CPI. Core inflation's running 0.3. Year over year annualized, we're at about 2.4 inflation, which is right in line with the Fed's targets. So while there's hope that we might see a rate reduction, the Fed wants that little bit of inflation, and so to do that might kick it off a little more. So that one's still up for debate.
All right, Todd. Well, thank you so much for being here with us today. Hope you have a good weekend.
Thanks. Sounds like it's going to be a nice one.
Oh, yeah. Enjoy it while you can. We'll be right back after this break.